Mommy. Mommy, say hello.
Hello.
Hi, Mommy. So I'm just having breakfast right now, and this is what I'm having. And I also got a new toy. This pet called Daisy. Comes with a shirt. She can take it off. This comes with more accessories, but I twirl her hair and her shirt. So yeah, I'm gonna just eat my breakfast right now. I'm gonna have a bite. And most of my other toys are over there. Just sitting, just chilling. And it's still morning. I'm just going to school, and I haven't made a video in a long time, so I just wanted to make one and just do something boring. Not really boring, but just having like people like Amy and stuff that I'm doing right now. Mommy, what time is it?
Now?
Yeah, what time is it?
8:47.
8:47 right now. And I just eating my breakfast, and that's all. So yeah, I just eating my breakfast and wearing these two French ribbons I might give to my friend to wear as a BFF. She's gonna come on this game with my friends. I think I'm gonna pause the video now, and I will see you guys after school and after homework, or maybe before homework. Bye. Peace out.